Welcome back. Today we are looking at why enthusiasts are choosing AMD Ryzen 9 7900X GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite EXMO. When engineering a high-end desktop workstation or a bleeding-edge gaming rig centered around an AMD Ryzen 9 7950X class PC build featuring the powerhouse AMD Ryzen 9 7900X paired with the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX, enthusiasts often look strictly at clock speeds and core counts. Check the video description for the updated price link. However, true long-term reliability, thermal efficiency, and signal integrity come down to something much more fundamental: internal gear quality and alloys. In this comprehensive review, we dive deep into the microscopic engineering, copper weight layers, solid pin power connectors, and aluminum alloy heatsink structures that make this specific hardware combination an absolute fortress of durability. Whether you are rendering complex 3D scenes, compiling millions of lines of code, or gaming at ultra settings, the structural integrity of your motherboard's power delivery and the purity of the processor's silicon packaging matter immensely. For those looking to upgrade their entire tech ecosystem, including smart home security setups, you might also want to check out this related product guide for home optimization ideas. The backbone of any stable AM5 platform is how well it manages thermal output and electrical resistance. The GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite EX excels in this domain through aggressive use of high-grade metallurgical components. Let us break down the core structural alloys and internal design choices. Twin 1622-phase digital VRM design utilizing 70A Smart Power Stage SPS modules. The board delivers clean, unadulterated current directly to the Ryzen 9 7900X. The copper content within the PCB layers features a 2x copper design, lowering internal impedance and dissipating heat away from critical components rapidly. Advanced thermal armor and heat sinks. Fully covered MOSFET heat sinks with 6 mm thick heat pipes ensure that thermal throttling is virtually non-existent, even under sustained multi-core workloads. The aluminum extrusion alloys used here have a high thermal transfer coefficient. PCIe UD slot armor. The PCIe 4.0x16 slot is fortified with a seamless stainless steel shielding design, preventing sagging when heavy modern GPUs are mounted. The internal latch mechanisms use reinforced polymer blends resistant to thermal degradation. Server-grade PCB material. The low-loss PCB construction reduces signal attenuation by up to 50%, ensuring pristine data transmission rates across memory channels and expansion slots. Combining the 12-core, 24-thread architecture of the Ryzen 9 7900X with the feature-rich B650 AORUS Elite AX motherboard yields a system optimized for professional productivity and high FPS gaming. Zen 4 architecture built on TSMC's 5nm process node, offering immense IPC instructions per clock gains and revolutionary energy efficiency compared to previous generations. DDR5 memory support. Dual-channel DDR5 architecture with AMD Expo and Intel XMP profile support, allowing for lightning-fast memory bandwidth crucial for data-heavy applications. PCIe 5.0 M.2 support future-proof storage capabilities, ensuring ultra-fast NVMe read and write speeds. Robust connectivity equipped with 2.5 GB LAN, Wi-Fi 6E 802.11ax, and a versatile array of USB Type Celsius and USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports. How does this metallurgical and architectural synergy translate into real-world performance? During intense stress testing using Blender, Cinebench R23, and Cyberpunk 2077, the VRM temperatures on the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX barely broke 62 Kel within safe operational parameters for high-alloy aluminum heatsinks. The Ryzen 9 7900X maintains stable boost clocks across all cores without experiencing sudden power delivery drops. The board's solid-pin power connectors, solid-pin 84 CPU power plugs, exhibited exceptional resistance to current spikes, ensuring zero microarcing or localized heating under heavy 170W power draws. Check the link in the description to get yours today.